everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get HDMI output to two different monitors at the same time. So as you know, this is my monitor number 1, this is my monitor number 2. This video was originally going to be one video, but I gotta do it in two because for some reason the computer that I have the HDMI cable coming out of will not power on, so I got to figure that out before I could make part 2. So I'm also going to show you how to get multiple HDMI inputs through an HDMI switch box. I know I did this before on my entertainment center, but I'm going to do it on here now. So to start off with, I have the on 4-device HDMI switch with remote control. I have another one hooked up to my TV, but this is actually a really small one, and this is a Walmart brand one. So I'm going to open it up here, and I'll show you what it comes with. Okay, so here we go. So it comes with the device itself. So this is what it looks like. This is actually smaller than the one that I have. So these are all the inputs. The very first one is an output. Now, this company makes a device to where it's one input in and 4 out, so you could plug each one into a different monitor and get a huge image. This I paid $30 for this, US, and the other one was $31 US, but I didn't need the other one. So you have the device, you have the remote for that device. So basically, if you want input 1, you select input 1, you want input 2, select input 2, and so on and so on. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you click next. So basically, I'm not going to actually take the tab that disconnects the battery because I'm not actually going to use it yet. And this is the power cable. As you see here, this is the power cable. So this will run off of USB power, which I'm actually very happy about. All right, so I got that down. Now, this is how I'm going to output to two monitors at once. So basically, it's going to go into the output port here. This is a Walmart brand. This I bought on Amazon. It was $10. I will put a link in the video to it. So basically what I'm going to do, take that off, is plug this in right here. So now I can output to monitor 2 and monitor 1, and you can also use this on your computer. If an arcade game has an HDMI output and you want to put a monitor so people can watch other people play, you could do the same thing. So basically now, what I do now is I'll take an HDMI cable. These cables I bought at Five Below. I will put a link in the description to them. They might not be the same as this, but they do sell HDMI cables. This is what they look like. And of course this is blue because this is my favorite color. There we go. Pull this out like this. Take the protective coating off. And what I do now is I plug one into one output, just like that. And I'm going to open up another one, and I am going to take the other one and put it into the TV, both TVs. So take these off. Oh, wrong port. There we go. So now that this is set up, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. So, here's how this is going to work. This RF switch box is going to receive the output from this HDMI cable, just like this. Alright, so now one side has that done, and the other side's going to receive an input as well going into this monitor. Just bear with me here. I forgot this TV's a little difficult to hook things up to. There we go. So now what you have is this one goes to the RF switch modulator, this goes to the TV itself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power the box from something. I can actually power it from the TV, which is what I'm going to do. Then this way, I'm using the TV as a power supply, basically, is what I'm doing. So, I don't know where that port is. I gotta find it. If not, I can figure something else out. Oh, there it is. I have a USB-C adapter in there. Okay. There we go. So now, plug that straight in. And, as you can see, I'm powering it from the TV. And I'll show you the remote. Pull the tab out of the remote. There we go. So it's now hooked up. So I want 3, goes to 3. Want 4, goes to 4. 2, 1, and there we go. So once I figure out why the computer is not powering on correctly, we will do more videos with this. Alright, so there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.